Hello children, in this video we will help you to write an essay on my favorite toy car. I have many toys, but my favorite one is my remote control car. It is red and black in color. It has an amazing design. My father gifted me this car on my 5th birthday. It is operated by a remote control. Its remote control is very stylish and easy to operate. It is like a mini model of a Lamborghini car. It has a rechargeable battery. It has 2 headlights and 4 shiny wheels. It has 2 seats and a sunroof on the top. It also has some lights which can turn on and off with the help of the remote. Its speed is very fast. It can also do many stunts. We can also open its doors. I play with it every evening with my younger brother. My friends also like my toy car. They often come to my house to play with it. I take it along everywhere I go. It is the best toy and very special to me. I love my toy car very much.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.